Transparency is the only way people will know whether an AI system works fairly or not. Third, companies must diversify the teams who build AI. If only one group creates these systems, then only their worldview is represented. Bringing in voices from different backgrounds is not optional. It is the only way to design tools that serve everyone. Accountability cannot be optional. If an AI system causes harm, companies must own that harm and correct it. That means facing consequences when their systems discriminate, and committing real resources to fix the damage. AI is already changing the world, but whether it changes it for the better or repeats the injustice of the past depends on what companies decide to do now.
Will lawmakers step up against AI bias?
Governments have a duty to protect their people. That responsibility does not stop with food, housing, or safety. It now includes technology, because AI is shaping the choices that decide who gets a job, who gets a loan, who gets medical care, and even who goes to jail. Laws must catch up with the technology. If an AI system blocks them from treatment or benefits, the companies responsible should face real penalties. That means fines, lawsuits, and binding orders to correct the harm. Without consequences, bias will continue unchecked. Governments must also take an active role in shaping the future of AI. This includes investing in research to create systems that are more transparent and more just. Funding should go to universities, nonprofits, and independent organizations that are working to design fairer AI systems. By supporting ethical development, governments can help build technology that serves society instead of exploiting it. Regulation, enforcement, and investment are not just technical issues. They are moral ones. AI already reaches into nearly every part of life. But wait, there is one more challenge government must address: historical data. Arrest records, redlining maps, biased medical notes, these records are soaked in racism. AI companies often use them as if they were neutral, which means bias gets coded into the future. Governments cannot erase this history.
But they can stop it from poisoning new systems. They can require companies to label and separate biased data. Fund the creation of new data sets built for fairness. And ban the use of records that are too corrupted to ever be fair. Most importantly, governments can demand proof that the outcomes of AI systems are not discriminatory, no matter what information went into them. If an algorithm produces biased results, it should be polled until it is corrected. This is how governments can help ensure that AI does not just repeat the past, but it is forced to serve all people equally.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.